Morning. In the Putting the Piper Together series, okay, so we've got the front Y mount. These two will slide through the frame. These two will hold the two conduits that make up the Y roller axis. It's a pretty simple build. Take the 3/4 632s, slide them in, put on a nut, and tighten them up. I'm not using a cordless screwdriver on this. I'm afraid of over torquing something. And it doesn't take that much longer to put it together by hand. So here is another 3/4 632. So we just continue the same thing. It's pretty monotonous after a while, but still has to be done. I don't want to tighten these all the way because otherwise they won't slip onto the conduit. Not happy with the filament that we use to print this, and I'll probably be printing them on the Piper. So 3/4 inch, 632 with a nut, put it on. Pretty basic. This one's a little more complicated. Now there's two options on this. I bought a 5mm bore pulley. It's another pulley. But I also printed some. Okay, so you take a 623 bearing, you press it in. You take another 623 bearing, and you press it in. So then both of these will work. This one will slip in. It's actually a tight fit, which you kind of want, but I'm not going to put it in because I won't be able to get it back off. And then there's the commercial 5mm bore. This is the only bolt I could find that fits this, and it actually is so tight that I have to screw it through the plastic, and I'm perfectly okay with that. And that'll spin on it just fine. So this will work out well. I'm going to put in the commercial one, but I'll demonstrate that later. So you put that roughly in place. The bolt that fits it screws into the plastic because it's so tight, which is actually kind of good. This will go a little faster if I do it this way. So it's going to wobble till it hits the other side of the pulley. There we go. So there we go. I'm not going to put a nut on that because I really think screwing it through the plastic is going to be okay. This has a bearing in the middle and it's going to spin on that. So I think that's going to work out really good. So once you put that on, now you can put this on. I'm sure the bill of materials specifies a different screw that I'm using. This is an M3 that's just long enough to go through. And I have an M3 nut. And I have an Allen key to finish it with. So there is the front Y mount with the pulley installed. And here is an option for a 3mm pulley. With the 3mm pulley, you're going to have some play in the shaft that goes down through here. But I think once you tighten it up, it'll stabilize and be okay. But these are options. This was probably 50 cents from China. Took 45 days to get here. So I got to get this ready in case I needed it beforehand. So there is the front Y mount put together. It'll mount on conduit like this. And the front Y roller conduit will go through here. So it's that easy. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.